Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. In today's tutorial I will introduce you to the instantiation in Unity. Even though I have another tutorial where I teach how to instantiate game objects when you press the mouse button, today we will do it with a simple key. We will talk about the Instantiate method and we will talk about the kind of rotation that will come when you instantiate the object. So let's waste no more time. Let's create a new script. I will create a script here just for this. I will call it spawn collectible. I will attach this to my player script. It will be right here. Open the script. Because in this project I'm using the new input system, I will copy this namespace right here at the top. So I just pasted here using Unity engine.input system, and I can show you here the difference. Basically, the old input is input get key down, then key code and dot the key that you want. While the new one, I'm using the keyboard dot current and put the key, and in this case I'm putting is pressed. There is some more methods. I'm using this one working well, so I think I will do the same for now. So in the update I will put if keyboard dot current dot, let's pick a key. I will put the I key for instantiation, and dot is pressed parentheses because it's a method. This shouldn't be like this. Let's put it uppercase. Now if we press the E key, we want to do something, and that's basically we want to spawn our collectible, right? But for that we need to pick the collectible. We need to do a serialized field, for example, and this will be a private game object that I will call also spawn collectible. Let's save this. Let me go into Unity real fast. This should appear here, and I need to fill in the collectible that I want to spawn. I already create a prefab with this here. Let me show you. Let me take the 2D view. Let me grab one of the collectibles here. So I made this a prefab. I can find it here, and I will basically put this into the spawn collectible because I want to spawn one of these into the screen. Okay, that's basically what I'm referring to here, is that the spawn collectible will be the plus equal sign. So I want to use the instantiation method. You put instantiate, then open parentheses, and then you can put something here. If you put over your mouse, it says what kind of object you want to instantiate. You need a vector 3 position and the rotation. So I want my spawn collectible to be here. Spawn collectible. I want it to spawn in what position? Let me see. Maybe at 0, 0, 4. So I'll go here. I need to create a new vector 3. And let's put 0, 0, 3. And we still need to put the rotation. And that's where I can put, for example, quaternion dot identity, and this means basically that we'll use the normal rotation, everything at 0. We can try this out. So I save my script. I go back into Unity. I will hit play, and whenever I hit my high key, boom, I just spawned a collectible, and I can't even get it. Book. However, if I want to put another kind of rotation, even though we can't see it very well because our collectible starts already rotating, but I could put something like Euler, and then you put the rotation that you want. For example, 0, 180, 0. You can put the F if you want, because it's a float. It might have that as well. Let's go back into Unity, and this time let's see if you can see the difference. Our object should spawn with the equal sign on the left and the plus sign on the right. Usually it's not like that. Let's press the I key. Hook. There we go. Usually it spawns like this, but this time it spawned completely inverted. So that's how you instantiate a game object in Unity. I hope this adds a little more knowledge about Unity and C# to your profile, and might this be useful for you. So thank you guys a lot for watching. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. More content is coming, and I will see you there. Stay cool.